Moncho muri TV ya Kisii Hot TV na wakirembia mwana sengencho yoko irebere bya gone chinga kicha kwendera gusanga amonintwe na anene muno kugendera kwemanya asari agenderete ase ense ya Kenya. Njasa muri tane ni ngongoro konya bito Dennis kusina buwancha onda ngeri kukuri kuntu kurenda suboniga ngantire kumunya samangana atwekere ase MS yito yoboraria Magega ase ekeri yeta wakoretera roboti rwa bene korwa ase nkendu ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ase chinka challenge kwe murunganiria igori ko gachoko mibere y'abantu babo aba begita ase nkendu iyo ingati yari batu bete bunani ko bazo timibere yike gundite korwa ase nkendu iyo yabosongo hitukura lero ni ko mugavana wa county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati akore etaro yaye gucha ase nkendu yiga yabosongo ase anene muno achikwane kiasa mungana alikonyora akokorekana korwa ase nkendu yiga yabosongo magega hantara kolete roboti rwa bene ro mugavana wa county ya Kisii amona batenene libenya kitari yiga korwa ase nsemiga yabosongo ngantire ngo roboti rwa bene kegima ago ase chinga bani ko murunganiria ari abanyorete ekerbagasite abancu babo ase enkendu yabosongo
Togo tigere rivaro yeito togende ritoreti togende Kenyatta tokarento muberega bwana omubere bweko tosinyire nonye nabantu tuwajiche nabwo bakani ro mubere oyo iga nabere bano gose taribo nabere ngo bwana omubere tosinyire tware kobori omwesi omega abana yeito Simba Arati ngwaro tebeti netaya bwana taya yao kaikwaye irire
ba tuchikorera omubere nkatogende irimu na toika ko mubiro kunoru oroche munambwato mubiro manene iga yani niria ibika omubiro ogosoka makonde kurwa goba mutinyeti aria igoro igo gosoka makonde kuruchimioro iga agasi onogeta tabwata aramende yonsi aramenene iga agasi onogeta kabori gaki chitiro chiare komokora iga ninki goso mwana ominta bera iga abantu bagachanga bono omubiro kanga kororu abantu bagutama bakumburi ayo muswati nkieke gwakora gaki nkabatayipa ke perfume nagurire iga gaki takungira bobe
kwenerio mambia uyo bwonkeo na morenti robekiru cheno obekirwe ward obekirwe emochel egento kyo gokumia rero buna nacha komoya na makonde agoiteka na endo mubiri wonchokire
Magega yo kwa roboti robene asari akorekanite asike yeta kurwa sinkindu ya bosongo litukule lero ni gobono mugavana wa county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati akera akoretaro yaye kucha ase enkendu eyiga ya bosongo ni gobono aenekia abotutukanu amona mangana alikonyora gukorekana ime aye enkendu eyiga ya bosongo na nene muno ngati yari atebabuna ni gokonyora abokurumi konyora bosoire ase enkendu ya bosongo anene muno obwibi bwa mariogo ari agotongwa ase ebitondo na amo kati ya mangana mangi amo nali atabuna nigo abantu konyora bakorimya chimashini chiri chibokendia emebere egentigere kwerera emebere kogunda ase emocheri eyiga ya bosongo nona boga nigo mugavana wa county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati emukiri bokari ali abene kobutana goseria bari konyora bakora egasi ase nseme yiga asate abuna nigo bone gasi abareire asata abantu abangao abochi kwene kimuna macho korega si keboikerenu na anene mono ase mugavana wa county Kisii asaba okwabera ase bari konyora banyoretu amore michando wetera ase nkendu iga ya bosongo araboti robene ase nchira enkirano
Allows me to make around two comments and the immediate action that we have taken into line of what has been happening here. It's unfortunate that our own people in the mortuary, again I want to repeat what Dr. Marita has said, it was a sabotage. They had arranged, they could even switch off the coolers in the hospital intentionally. Then most of those cubes, I'm told, where one body is supposed to be kept, they have been putting even 3. Leave about 3. The people who have been passing away in our hospital here, they have been using, they pick with beddings and everything, put them into the machine. The worst of it is the police cases. The incidents where police bring in bodies, and those bodies, you know, all of you, that they cannot be operated on. They cannot be cleaned. They cannot be embalmed. Therefore, it has been causing that there must have been coming out a very bad smell. I've directed the CEO that the old mortuary, putting 2 million there, immediately to be redone, so that all unclaimed bodies, all the police cases, they'll be handled in the old mortuary. Again, I have information machines that is in charge of this gentleman. I'm told he was dumped in some bushes in one of the sub-counties, but now is in charge of the biomedical. He will make sure, and Dr. I want to give directives. You must make sure there is no machine, even if it's sabotage, that will cause this mortuary not to be operating. Therefore, for the two, again, even the old one, let us make sure that it's operating. I want to point out that I know the forces, nobody's happy on the changes. Yesterday night, I had information, they wanted even to switch off the oxygen plant and the power to kill 50 infants. Therefore, I'm happy that the CEO took the necessary steps. And again, we want to get the information which we can verify. I don't know if our security operators, what they could be doing, because if there is this kind of information, they will do it, and there will be an outcry. B1, only to paint Simba that Simba alikuwa anasema yeye ni taa, hakuna, imezima. Haiwezi zima hivi karibuni. Itaendelea kuwaka. What I've done, the two people who have been in charge of the mortuary, I've sent them away today. Because these people, again, they were being given money to clean the bodies. It's only corruption. You can imagine even they are getting money for the deaths here. And these people, nadhania wakati wao ilikuwa imefika. Therefore, I've instructed the daktari, hao watu waende nyumbani saa hizi tu. Hakuna biashara nyingine, wakwende. Let them go away. Of course, brought in, since we got this information, we have brought in some mortuary attendants, from one of the best mortuaries in the country, to man this facility. Again, I want to state that this capacity of the mortuary is only 72. But I'm told the body is inside here, the 120, it has been 200. Therefore, you can figure out how strained we are. But I'm going again to ask the management and the board to look for more money. We want to see if we can use that facility to hold more bodies. And we want to see, you know, we don't want many people to die. But because we must die, all of us, we must be given, we must be accorded the respect, even the last respect, mpaka uzikwe. Sisi hatuishi kama wanyama. Therefore, I want to apologize to the families of those ones who were affected when they brought their bodies in here. I want to apologize. I want to assure them that we are going to rectify the mess as from today. And that's good enough. I know most of you are going to many functions today. Allow me to leave it there. But I've directed the national security personnel who are here, our security who are here, to escort out those gentlemen before they switch again another machine. You know, they can easily go in and switch off. Therefore, that's why I've asked the police officers, they go in, make sure they are out. Daktari, make sure watu wanabeba mizigo yao, wanaenda. Hakuna biashara tunapembelezana na wao hapa. Let them go. They can be employed elsewhere. They have been even stealing formalin. Ile dawa ya kuweka, and there is another person who was arrested here. Alikuwa anaiba dawa ya kuweka mili, sasa tushindwa anapeleka wapi? Mpaka body bags. Lakini nadhania huyo mlituma yeye nyumbani. Yeah, lakini mliacha the mizizi ndio hii, because they were collaborating. Therefore the whole team must go. Walipwe waende ama vipi? Yeah. Yeah. Kwa hivyo wacha niachie hapo. But I want to direct that again we are getting back to normal. We are not going to receive more bodies because the mortuary is full. What I've done, I've again directed that we will waiver. Ask those ones who have their relatives who have passed away and they have been kept here, ambao wameshindwa kulipa, nimesema kwamba I will pay that one for them. Watoe miili waende wazike. Kwa hivyo daktari, tafadhali wakija wacha miili itolewe so that we can bring it back to 70. And I've directed you, madam, not more than 70. Kuna nyingi mpaka wakati tutafanya nini, but I'm told the lady who has come in, she said if a body is treated properly, hata ukiweka chini haiwezi haribika. Kwa hivyo that lady is an expert. Kindly give her the necessary support tuone vile vya kufanya kazi.
My name is Dr. Oyimeke Marita, Acting CEO, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. As you all know, KTRH is a premier institution serving 8 counties within the Lake Region Economic Bloc. Our vision is very clear: to offer, to be a center of excellence in healthcare service delivery in the region. And that is achieved through quality services, through research. We are all gathered today here because of the recent happening. In the last 3-4 days, there was an uproar about the status of our mortuary. Our intelligence that we have been doing since that time has pointed towards what I would call sabotage that was intentional to try and show our governor to be inefficient. However, we have taken that negative publicity positively, and we have started putting changes that are going to make a big difference starting today. So therefore, just to reassure our customers that the mortuary is back to its normalcy and we have taken charge. Thank you very much.
Mbemona sengencho yokwendera gusanga amonentwe ime TV ya Kisii Hot TV. Nigongo wakira ngambia mona sengencho ko rebere byago na chinga kichago kugenderera kurigereria asale gasini gotika kurchingongo nyechense. Koreneto bwati ase emitando yitu yonsi Kisii Hot TV. Njasa murita nenye to Dennis kusira ngwancho nangeri kukuri konto. Korene tatomirane ase chinga kichinde. Suboniga narachire.